Ready then, James? I think I'm ready. Ready as you'll ever be. Don't really know what I'm ready for. Bloody hell! Whoa! No, it's no good. We'll have to go back. I've left the valves on the runway.
Range valid. Obstacle valid.
Oh!
Obstacle valid.
That is the most remarkable thing I've ever experienced. 6,000 feet, there we go. We're down 6,000 feet. I've only just got my head off the headrest.
Then God has decided to show me why this aeroplane was designed to be unstable.
I think you might have snapped my head off. Oh, that's better than all sports goal.
It can be thrown around the sky because it's crammed full of high-speed electronics that keep it under control.
Did you tell me when you're going to do that, or is that considered bad call? Sorry, Jake, coming on the top. Getting such an assault on senses of mine that aren't normally very assaultive, to be honest.
VVR. Check VVR.
The Typhoon is a fighter bomber. It can attack other aeroplanes and hit targets on the ground. It's designed to take as much of the stress out of flying as possible so the pilot can focus on the mission.
I can't believe how smooth this aeroplane is. I thought it would be really choppy. Honestly, I tell you, I've flown an F-16 and a Harrier in combat. I would rather go to war in this thing any day of the week.
This year, the Typhoon is taking over from the Tornado and its job of protecting Britain's skies.
How did you describe this earlier? It climbs like a homesick angel. Yeah, a homesick angel. I like that. I'm sorry, I'm going to get slightly emotional, but I'm 27,000 feet over England, and I'm actually flying a Typhoon, which is the Spitfire of today, isn't it, really? Well, I can honestly tell you, this is the most amazing thing I've ever done. Excellent. Glad to be of service.
Well, I admit I was a bit nervous when we set off, but absolutely unquestionably, and not anything to do with picking it up for television, that is the best thing I've ever experienced. It is breathtaking. It really is. I can't really describe what it's like. It is life-changing, frankly.
Excellent. Really well done. Marvellous.
Thank you, Skipper.
In many ways, the story of 20th century warfare is the story of the machines that were brought to bear on the battlefield and the ingenuity behind them. I've driven a tank, I've dropped bombs from a biplane, and I've flown in a frontline supersonic fighter.
And I count myself very lucky. Not because I've done all those things, but because I've never had to do them for real.
The thought of being in those machines when it could mean life or death is, quite frankly, terrifying.